Hello, welcome back to Cooking with Chris. This week I'm doing banana bread. It seems that during the lockdown everybody's cooked banana bread. I've never done it, so I'm going to do one today in the THERMOMIX TM6, and I'm not following the recipe exactly. I'm going to put in some walnuts and I'm going to put in some chocolate chips. Seems like a good idea, so let's see how it turns out. See you in a minute. First thing I'm going to do is to line a baking tin. Cut the paper equally on all corners, and once you've done that, you just simply press it into the tin, get the shape, and then spray it with some oil. There you go. First thing is add some melted butter, and then I'm going to add in some brown sugar. After the brown sugar, go in the chopped up bananas, and then when they're mixed up, we put in a couple of eggs, and then I'm putting in some sour cream. Now some homemade vanilla bean paste, and then I'll put in some chocolate chips and then some walnuts. Reserve a few for later. Give that a mix up, and then when that's done, you add in the rest of the ingredients. First thing, we're going to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Now I'm putting in the flour, and then once the flour goes in, some baking powder, and then some nutmeg and cinnamon, and then once that's all mixed up, pour it out into your prepared baking tray. Get it even, spread it all out, and then once that's there, you get a banana and cut it in half. Now try not to break it in pieces like I did. This one was a bit too ripe. But slice it down the middle and then put the two halves in the tray on top of the mix. Once that's done, you can start decorating it with the rest of your ingredients. So you can put on the reserved walnuts and then some chocolate chips. And then that all gets baked together in the oven. There you are. And it goes in at 170 degrees. Hello, welcome back. Well, I think that turned out okay, just how I like it. It's been resting for 10 minutes, so I'm now going to cut into it and we'll see what we've got. Nice thick slice, and smells good, and it cuts well. Nice good slice of banana bread. Anyway, I'm going to have this with a little bit of homemade custard. There we are. And I'll enjoy that. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and see you again for another recipe soon. Bye.